The sustainability and well being of Jamaica's environment, and of course, by extension, on the global scene, has always been a topic of interest of mine. This is why I was compelled to enter this competition, which was brought to my attention by my school's environmental club, for which I hold the post of project officer. I was also truly inspired and touched by the Most Honorable Andrew Holness's promise to invest in Jamaica's future by expanding our forests through the planting of 3 million trees in 3 years. I incorporated this in my narrative piece to highlight the significance of tree planting, even if it's just one tree. Finally, upon hearing the theme, Disaster at Our Doorsteps, responding to the effects of climate change, I felt as if it was my responsibility to create a literary piece that coincides with a statement of such an imperative nature.